Oh my god, that's a big fish right there. Alright guys, we are back in that little pond I fished close to 2 months ago. We're in a kayak this time because some stuff that you couldn't get to. We're going to see if we can get some big ones. There are some 6 and 7s in here, I guess, so. There we go. That's a good fish. It's decent. That happened a lot faster than I thought it did. It's a healthy fish. It's decent. It's just not fighting super good. Alright. There we go, guys. First fish of the day on the spinner bait. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted it to be. There we go. That's a solid, probably like 2 or 2, no, it's probably like a 2.5. There we go. Look at that fish, you guys. I'm gonna put down the rod. Look at that one. Beauty. See you later, big girl. I guess not really a big girl, but you'll be one day. Boom. There we go, guys. There's a better fish. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh my god, and hit right at the boat. God, that's a big fish right there, guys. I might have a 5-pounder. Oh my god, and hit right at the boat. Oh my god. Look at that fish. That is a long fish. That's an old fish. Oh my god, you guys, that's a monster. Oh my god. This might be one of my biggest kayak bass. Oh my god, you guys. That's like a 20-inch fish. Look at the head on that fish. Oh my god, you guys. This thing is huge. Oh my god, didn't seem big when I first hooked him. Oh my god, he's hooked good, even going anywhere. Look at that fish. And it hit right at the boat. Right at the boat. Let's get a weight on this fish. This is a big one. Not think I'd get one this big again. All right, guys, zeroed out. It's in pounds, not ounces, so. Oh, I'm excited. I want to see how big this thing is. This is a big fish. I did not think I would get one this big again. Only 380. It's kind of a skinny fish, I guess. Yeah, this fish could definitely be like a 4.5 fills fat and spawn. That right there is a giant fish. Oh my god. See you later, big girl. Now there's a big girl right there. There she goes. That's a better fish. Oh yeah, that's a way better fish. Another big one, you guys. Oh my God. That is what I call a damn giant. Oh my God, don't you dare. Oh my God, another tank. It's not a 5, it's about the same size as the other. But if this thing was fat, dude, if I caught this fish and barely hooked, if I caught this thing in spawn, this would be probably a 4.5 or a 5. This one fought way harder than the other. And I got a spinnerbait in the ass. Oh, come out. Yeah, not good. Oh my God, you guys, what is happening today? So it's just been filled with biggins. Like, look at that. All right, we're gonna get a weight on this girl and then get her back in pretty quick. I don't like keeping up the big ones for long. With this hand real quick, don't bite me. Oh, this would be such a good bag in a tournament. Right, come on. All right, zeroed out. Oh my God, today's been insane. See, she's only breaking 319, but she's on the body of probably like a 4. On the body of about a 4. She's just not fat at all. That's probably an 18 or a 19-inch fish. Man, that's a beauty. Quick release on her. There she goes. Kind of thinking on flipping right here. I'm definitely gonna flip later in the day. Right now it seems like the moving bite's pretty good, so I think we're gonna stick with that. Oh yeah, that is a monster. Oh my God, what is happening today? Yeah, that's a giant fish right there. And I'm in the reed, which is really, really not good. Oh my God, come here. Oh, that's way bigger than the water. But I mean, still, this is another, like, big fish. This place is just loaded with big ones. Like, look, that's like maybe like an inch or two smaller than the others. It's probably still like a 17 or an 18-inch fish. No, I think it's probably bigger than that, actually. This one's fat, or fatter, so it's, get another weight on her. I thought rerunning these reeds would be a good idea, and it was. I hope it's in kilograms. Hold on. There we go. 3.19, same as the last fish, just this one's a little bit shorter, but a little bit thicker. Yet again, though, just such a beautiful fish. A good release shot on her. Let's go on this side. Look at her. There she goes. Right where I thought they'd be was all along in all these fish. Out here in the center. Bet he was trying to feed up on bait fish or whatever there is in here. There we go. Can't tell how big it is yet. I don't think it's huge though. No, it's not. It's not big at all. out here, right where I thought they'd be. It was all along in all these fish. Out here in the center. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. The GoPro died and I had to get off the water like an hour later. The top performing bait today was definitely the spinner bait. I had maybe one hit on the jig. That's all they want. It's a simple, just chartreuse and white, double willow leaf, with a little small paddle tail on the back. I don't know why they wanted it so bad, but they just wouldn't stay off it for the first part of the day.